Everybody's looking for money, wouldn't you agree? And every business owner wants those 5, 6, 7% interest rates. But to qualify, you need to understand there's 3 fundamental factors to a loan. First factor is your personal credit. You always want to keep it clean. Have a minimum FICO score of a 680 to a 700. Banks like to lend to people who don't need money. Therefore, before applying, make sure you pay down all your credit cards to a maximum of 30% utilization. And no derogatories, but if you do have a blemish, make sure you have a good story. Write a letter of explanation. That if you went on vacation for a month and forgot to make a payment, or you fired a bookkeeper and they didn't make the payment. The second factor is your business credit. Now, very similar to your personal credit, you have to have the experience of handling debt. Banks want to see a minimum of $20,000 to $30,000 in established accounts. The larger the debt you can establish, the more money they're willing to lend you. The third factor is your financials. Now, they say cash is king, but the queen never sleeps. And 2 is the magic number. So the last 2 years of your tax returns, because they're going to allocate the loan for 10 to 20% of your annual gross sales. So if you made $1 million, they're going to lend you $100,000 to $200,000. The last but not least is your cash flow. So out of that million, what are you left with? So your net profitability of what's left in the bank is going to dictate, can you afford that loan? Now, if you understand these 3 major factors, then you can walk into any single bank and get a loan. Now, for additional tips or to find out more about additional financing options, click on the link below right now.